Play Spotify to your Sonos speakers without having to use the Sonos app. Here's how. Spotify can play directly from your device to a Sonos speaker. This bypasses the need to use the Sonos app. First, open the Spotify app and find the music you want to play and then start playing. By default, this will start playing through the speakers on your device. Next, towards the bottom of the screen is the name of the song you're currently playing, and to the right of this there is a speaker symbol. Press this. A list will appear with all devices you have that are compatible with Spotify Wireless. Press the device or the room name you wish to play to. Advantages of playing music directly from the Spotify app. You may be more familiar with the Spotify app as this is what you are using when you're not playing to Sonos, for example to headphones or to play music in your car. Also handy if you have visitors, so they can play their music to your speakers without having to install the Sonos app. They do, however, need to be connected to your Wi-Fi. Quick tip. Even if you start playing the music from the Spotify app, you can still flip to the Sonos app to group or ungroup rooms, as you might find this easier here. For tips on this, see my How to Group Sonos Zones video. Watch more Sonos tips on this page, or subscribe to my YouTube channel and view my Sonos tips playlist, as well as lots of other easy to understand home technology tips. See you next time.